Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a Killer Sudoku number 8106. Today is the first Friday of the month, and the first Friday of the month I will do a speed test. Yes, Friday, March the 1st, 2024. We have three regular puzzles here, and two of them of what I've already solved, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. It's time for the Killer Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But first, the speed test number 3, Killer Sudoku. Usually for Killer Sudoku I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with the 1-star, 2-stars, 3-stars and the 4-star Sudokus in an additional, it will be a 3-stars. But this time without comments, without instructions, so this will be faster. Oh wait, 1 minute already passed. This should be 14 here. Okay, let's get started. Here should be 11. This should be 16, 9 and the 7. Okay. 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, no, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, no. Okay. 14, 8, 9 and 8, 3 and a 1. Now 1, 2, 3, no. 1, 2, 3, no. This one 8 and a 9. 17, 8. 4 means 18 here. If I place the 18 cannot. Should be here 4 and a 1. 1, need a 1 here, 1 and a 6 here, could be here, need a 4. Wow, 1, need a 1. Can it be here? Could be here, could be there, 1 and a 6. This row, complete. This row is also complete. How about the columns? No. 2. 14, 16. No 3. Could be a 3, 3 and a 5. Could be a 3 here. This could be 3. That box could be a 3. But it's not helping me. 3, need a 3 there. 3 and the 8. 3 and a 4. Nope, we have a 4 here. So 3 could be here, could be there. 3 and 8, okay. Need a 5 here. 5 or 5 and a 3. 5 could be here also. 1, need a 1 here. Can we 1? 1 could be here. 1 and a 7. 1 and a 6. Come on. Well. 6 and a 1. Yeah. 5 and a 2. Yeah. Think. 6. Will be 6 there. Ooh, this one is not easy. 5 could be there. 1. 14 means 8 and a 6 or 9 and a 5. We have a 9 here, so this should be a 7. This should be a 9. 9 here, could be a 9 here. 9 and a 2. Should be the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 are missing. 9, 9, 9. Okay. 1 and 7, 1 and 6. No 5 here. No 5. 5, 5, 5. Can it be 5, 5, 5, 5? Here should be the 5. 5 and a 4. 5 could be here or there. 5 and 13. 3, 3 here. 1, 1, 1. Come on. 7. Could be 7 here. Thinking. I'm thinking. 9, 2 and a 1. 8 and a 6, 9 and a... Well. Need a 7. 6 cannot be here. 3, 4 and a 5 could be here, or 7 and a 2. Well, five. Thinking. I'm stuck here. I'm stuck. Well. 6, need a 6 here. 6 and a 2, no. Need a 2 here. 2 and an 8. Could be here. 2 could be here. Could be there also. 14. 9 and 8 and a 7. 9, 8. So the 9 and the 8 could be here also. 9, 8. Here can be 9. So could be 9 here. And this should be a 9 then. Could be an 8. No 5. I'm stuck here. I'm really stuck. 401. Need a 1 here. 1 and a 9. 1 and 16. 1 and 16. Here should be a 1. Then this should be the 16. So 16 is 9 and a 7. Well, can it be a 1 here? So the 1 should be here. 9 and a 1. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 9, 9. Need a 9 there. 9, 9, 9, 8. No 8 here. So these two should be 13. 9, 13. 9, 13. 7. No 7 here. No 8 here. 8 and a 2. 8 and a 2 could be here. Can it be an 8? Cool. Here can be an 8. Can be an 8. Can be an 8. Yeah, this should be an 8 then. No 8. No 8. No 8. This should be the 2. 8 8. Need a 8 here or 8 there. So the 1 2 need a 3 here. Could be here. 4 need a 5. 3 and a 5. 6 or the 2. Well, the 2 is already used. 7 and the 1. No, the 1 is already used here. So can it be a 7? Can it be a 6? 6 and a 2? No. So 3 and a 5. So this can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3 then. Well, why can this not be a 3? 3 and a 4. Well, we have a 4 here. Okay. So 3 and an 8 then. We have an 8 here. 9 there. 8 8 8. 3 3. Need a 3 here. 3 and a 7. No. 3 and a 5. Could be 3 and a 4. No. 3 and a 5. Okay. Need a 2. No 2 here. 2. 2 and a 8. No. This should be the 2 and a 5. 1 and a 9. No. 1 2 3 4 is missing. 4 and a 6. And the 7. That means here 10 should be 4 and a 6. Yeah, 4 and a 6. Here also 4 and a 6. Okay. Here 4 6 and a 2. 2 and a 6. So this should be a 4. This should be the 6. 1 box left for the number 1 2 3 4 5 7. 7 9 16 plus 6. Okay. 9 and a 5. This should be the 5. This should be the 9. 9 and the 8. 1 and a 4. 2 and a 3. Okay. 1 and 8. No. 2 and a 7. Yeah. 3 and a 4. No. 3 and a 6. No. 4 and a 5. No. So it should be 1, 2 and a 7. So these two should be 1 and 4 is missing. 4 1 and 5. 4 and 8. 1 and 9. 9 9 need a 9 here. 9 there. 9. 8 8 here and 8. Could be an 8 8 8. Okay. Come on. 5 5 here, 5 there. No, this should be a 5 then. 7. Okay, 1 is missing. We have a 2 here, so it cannot be 2 or 3. 1 and a 4. Oh, this should be the 1. This should be the 4. The 3 should be here. 3 and a 7. 7 7. Need a 7 there. 2 numbers left. 2 and a 6. 2 numbers left. 1 2 3 4 and 6. 6 and 1. 4 and a 3. We have a 3 there, so this should be a 4. This should be the 6. 6 plus 1. 4 plus 6. 1 box left. No, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 here. This should be the 6. This should be the 4. 4 4. This should be the 4. 1 box left for the number. I believe the number 7. Yeah, 7 and a 1 then. 5 and the 8. 8 plus 4, yeah. 5 and 8, okay. 8 and 1. No, 5 and a 3. We have a 3 here, so cannot be 5 and a oh, we have a 3 also. Here should be the 8. This should be 1. This should be the 5. 9 plus 9. 1 1 1 1 4 2 7 7 2 2 6. Okay. Need an 8 here. Can it be an 8? Can it be an 8? 8 and 5. 2 and a 3, 4 and a 6. Here should be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 8. Here 4 and the 2 cannot be 1 and the 5. 4 and the 2. That should be 9 and the 5. Other numbers should be 7 and the 3. 10 plus 2. This should be the 7. And 1 box left for the number 3. Finish. Nope, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 here, 3 there. Minus 1 minute, 14 minutes. Wow. So it again. 40 minutes for the Killer Sudoku. Well, pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.